So today on New Things, New Tech, do you have an oversized guitar that you just can't find a case for? Well, we actually got a really good deal at Zimms Guitars over in Mesa, Arizona that actually gave us this ESP case for a really good deal. And we're going to actually see if we can actually make that case fit this guitar. That's coming up next here on New Things, New Tech. Hey, welcome back. I'm Scott Drudge, and today we're actually going to see if we can actually make this Charvel actually fit inside this case here. This Charvel Star has actually got a really large oversized body that just won't fit in most cases. And Charvel cases are very hard to find and also kind of expensive. But we actually went out to Zimms Guitar in Mesa, Arizona. If you happen to be in Mesa, Arizona, stop by and check out Zimms Guitar. The guy is really cool. And he's got a fantastic shop and really great prices on stuff. So check it out. I'll put a link down in the description below. But he was able to get us this nice little ESP case here. And for a really good price. And if we open this bad boy up, take a look. It looks really nice. And I think we're going to be able to make this guitar fit in there. If we actually take and break the guitar in the process, set this guy in here, we'll see that there's plenty of room. Well, there's enough room to actually get him in here. The kind of cutouts we need for the big bass off of the Star. So I'm going to have to do is make a few modifications. Cut out a little bit around here, cut out a little bit around there, and set it down in there. And the nice thing is that these cases are really just a matter of just heavy duty foam in here. So I should be able to take this foam and break it down and make everything fit. So let's actually dig into this thing and see if I can get this Charvel to actually fit in this case and make it look as good as it does now.
Build sequence.
Get ready.
Here we go. Game over.
Alright, so we've completed the modification to this case to be able to get this Charvel Star into it. Now we tried lots of other cases, and this is probably the only one we found that's actually been large enough that was actually cheap enough to be able to fit this guitar. So it's not the best modification. Really all I've done is made a couple of cuts in here, through here, so that it can actually get the upper part of the guitar right into here, and as well as over here, so the lower bottom part fits there, and then down there so that the biggest part actually will hit down in the corner, and it fits in really nicely. For our storage compartment, I've actually taken this side here and we're actually putting our stuff up underneath. So we've got our strap underneath here and our whammy bar there. So that'll actually close up that way. So we can actually get this baby back in here like so. And this is a snug fit. But you know what? That's perfect. We can actually take this thing, close it up, and it's solid. It's not moving around. It works well. Seems really clean. I think it's going to work well for this case. Now, ideally what I should have done is taken that out and probably get some more foam at, say, some fabric store and actually make a foam insert myself, and do that with maybe the quick foam that you can get at one of your, hardware stores, and then just pop that in there, set it down in there, set the guitar down in on some plastic, whatever else, and let it foam up around it and make a nice perfect shape. But I was in a rush. This has to go out the door today, and we wanted to get it out the door. So it's actually working really well. In looking around online, I couldn't find a Charvel Desolation DST-1 case or any large enough that would fit. The body shape is so odd. Even a soft case wouldn't have worked well enough. Taking a chance on a case that's oversized online would have started at about $150 plus the cost of shipping, and it would cost just as much to send it back. The only Charvel Desolation DST-1 case I found included the guitar for $579. A gig bag wouldn't work either, as we have the synth adapter on the guitar for making some really cool sounds. And I only had a couple of days to get something together quick to protect the guitar and the synth adapter. So like I said at the beginning of this video, I picked up this case at Zimms Guitars for a very good price. He's tucked back in a little ways in the shopping center he's in, but it's a great store. He's really great. You'll get some good information. He has great products and whatever else and really good prices. So go check him out if you happen to be in Arizona. Go over to Mesa and check out Zimms Guitars. Thanks for watching. I'm Scott Drudge for New Things New Tech. Subscribe, give some feedback. Let me know if you like this or if you'd like to see more, what you would like to see. Thanks, and have a great day.